everyone is well. I've been editing videos, sending emails, doing lots of stuff this morning. So it's like midday and I've got to take the dogs out. I'm a bit late than usual. But I thought, as I was getting changed, that I would show you where I'm up to with Bump, because I'm 22 weeks today. And here we go. So there is the Bumpy. And I made these maternity jeans that I'm so happy with. They are really, really comfortable. Let me just pull up the band. Sorry, I'm still so like out of breath and coldy. But yes, they're Morgan jeans by Closet Casefile. Sorry, don't pull them up because they look a bit weird. And I basically cut off, I didn't put on the waistband, and then I cut off quite a lot and put on just this lovely jersey band instead. I got it when I was in Halle in Germany doing a gig not that long ago. And the denim and everything, and the pattern was from Minerva Crafts because it was my Minerva Crafts make. And I just live in them. They're so comfortable. So they're really creased and stuff, but they're so comfy. And honestly, having something like over the bump like that that's comfortable is wonderful. And a lot of people put elastic in the top of their belly bands, and I just don't understand that, because this is so much nicer. It's literally just folded over jersey, and it's more room for bump, but it's also just comfortable. And because I just don't like extra elastic, I have to say, like elastic around here at the moment is like blah, horrible. So yes, that is them. And yeah, I'll go out on the dog walk now, so I will probably show you a bit of that too. Bubbles! Okay, Tiggs, come on this way, darling. So we're back home now. It's been a little bit of a dull day for Vlogmas, I have to say, but I've just put in Stephen's latest riddle, and I think it's quite a good one. I haven't told him where it is, this one, so that helps. So I will definitely film him opening that, and then that will be exciting. But I just wanted to stop in and say that I've just been reading all your comments from yesterday's Vlogmas, where I did have a bit of a breakdown and I didn't know whether to put it out. I was like, am I being really silly putting out me crying on Vlogmas, because it's meant to be fun and Christmassy? But I'm pleased I did, and I honestly, I can't get over how generous and lovely all your comments and how warm they've made me feel. Honestly, thank you so much to everyone that has spent any amount of time sending me love over the last few days. It has helped so much, and I really, really adore every one of you. And I'm going to try and reply to them all now as well, because I need to give it back to you. I'm so thankful. So, and also just to everyone that's been affected by it, how lovely they've been. It really, really has made me just completely overwhelmed by how wonderful the sewing community really is. So thank you guys. Right, okay, I'm going to I need to tidy up. I'm going to tidy up. It's a real mess in this flat, and I will see you in a bit when Stephen gets home. Check out my cute little outfit. My mother-in-law bought it for me, and it's the snuggliest thing in the world. I mean, I'm literally just a cuddly bear now. The tidying hasn't quite gone to plan. I've just kind of sat down again. I think I'm going to carry on. But I did have something to say to you. Yes, okay. So, I just wanted to, back on the whole, I love the sewing community thing. What has been so lovely over the past few months is how I've connected with other pregnant sewers who I didn't know before, and it's just been so lovely. And I just wanted to give a shout out to my newest sewing friend Hannah from Rather Be Sewing, because she has been she's just been a rock to me the whole way through. We're about a week and a half apart in our pregnancies, and it's just been so lovely. We've pretty much spoken every single day, and I just adore her. I'm going to meet her in like a couple of weeks, so I will take you with me, and I'm very excited about it. But yeah, I just wanted to give her some love, and also to Harriet Sew Me Sunshine, who I did know before but has been amazing. And also my pregnancy twin, we're literally at the same time, we had our scans at the same time and everything, Chantel from I Seem So Happy. So those three have been amazing. And also Miss Lavelli, inside number 23, Katie, she's also been incredible. And now she's had her gorgeous little posy. She's just so inspiring, and yeah, I just wanted to give a shout out to those guys because they've all been amazing. And it's just been really lovely connecting with new people because of this little person that we have living inside us and how much it's changed our lives, like completely loads more than I thought it would. So it's been really lovely having that support. And if you happen to be in the family way, and want to talk to someone about it, I'm so open for that. Like, come and find me on Instagram. You can email me at gabberdashery@gmail.com. Like, I just would really love to connect with all the people I can over it, because it's really lovely, and it helped me so much, and I am totally there for you if you need any help. So that was about it, and now I am procrastinating and I should just tidy up, but I don't want to. Oh, Stephen's home. I'm going to hide in my hood, and now let's do Stephen's advent calendar instead. Okay, Stephen's back. Hello. I told everyone about that I was looking forward to you coming back so you could do your riddles. So are you ready?
Really?
And I've bigged it up. I've said it's a good riddle.
Is it a good riddle? Is that a sarcastic riddle?
No, I think it's good. Because I haven't told you where it is. Although you're probably still good. Okay, go on then.
I'm in the place I should be, ready to keep you snug and scandy. Ooh. From sheep in the mountains, don't wear me in fountains, because I will take a long time to dry, you see. So it's woolly, it's scandy. Is it in my sock drawer?
Oh my god, maybe. You. You.
Elementary.
Wait, whoa. Slow down. Oh, pregnant woman here. Walk slowly.
Okay. Oh, we're in a messy bedroom.
It's
we're
not
about
that
to redecorate
bad.
the house. So
Yeah.
Have to excuse the fact
Yeah,
that
we are literally in.
This is not how we live.
No, it's not at all. Oh, sorry, my bra's right on the top.
Oh, really?
It's fine. It's only women who watch this.
All the male sewers watching are like, hey! Oh! He's awesome.
Yay!
Look at this. Norwegian.
You love Scandi socks.
I really do, and my socks at the moment are wet. So
Well, there you go. So you wore them in fountains.
Oh, lovely. Thank you very much.
No
Terry.
problem,
Right.
my love.
Camera side hugs.
Yay!
Good start, Hobbs. Yeah, he's like, hurry up, Gabby.
Sweetheart. Okay, alright, day 5. Day 5 of Doggy Avocado. Tigger, come down and join us. Come on, Tiggs. Are you ready? Ta-da! What's in here? Same thing we have every day now. Okay. Tiggs, come on. Come on. Here, one each. Okay, good girl. Okay, alright, okay. You have yours first. Take it away this time. And Hobbs, good boy. No, Tigger, don't eat it up on the sofa. Tiggs, come on.
Every
Oh,
time.
dear, we've created a monster. I thought if I sat down on the floor that they wouldn't eat it on the sofa, but I think they've done the complete opposite. Oh dear. Right guys, well I'm in my snugglies now, which means that it's time for bed and I can't wait to sleep. I'm so excited. But I hope everyone enjoyed day 5 of Vlogmas and I will see you for day 6.